Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, Changing Default Programs, I'm going to show you how you can ensure that each file type is opening with the right program on your computer. Changing the program that a file type opens in by default is incredibly easy, and all you need is to be able to see one of the files of the file type you'd like to modify. Once you change the program that a file type opens in, it will change for every file of that file type. So on my desktop here, I have placed a sample file PDF and a sample file TXT. My PDF is set to open in Chrome, and my TXT or ASCII file is set to open in WordPad. If I open my PDF, the PDF opens and you see that in the address bar, even though it's opened in Google Chrome, which is a web browser, it is calling on the file on my local computer. And when I open up the ASCII opens up in WordPad. And I would like to change both of these. I would like for my PDFs to open with Adobe Acrobat Reader, and I would like for my ASCII files to open up in Notepad. So what I'm going to do is right-click first on my PDF. I'll choose Properties. Next, I'll hit the Change button next to where it says Opens with Google Chrome. And I'll select Adobe Acrobat DC. And I'll press Apply and OK. And you see that the file icon has changed. It now has the PDF icon. And this is the icon that indicates it's going to open up directly in Adobe rather than some other PDF viewer. Each PDF viewer will have their own icon. So now when I open this file, the file opens up correctly within Adobe Acrobat DC. And I can view the PDF and use all of the regular PDF tools that may not be available in a browser. I can do the same thing to my ASCII file to make sure that it opens up in Notepad instead of WordPad. I'll right-click, choose Properties. Next to where it says Opens with WordPad, I'll click Change, and I'm going to choose Notepad instead. I'll press OK, Apply, and OK. And now my ASCII file has the standard Notepad icon. And if I open it up, it opens in Notepad. And you see that my formatting is more representative of what it would be in a real document, rather than the previous version in WordPad. So sometimes the program that a file is viewed in may impact your ability to use certain features. ASCIIs viewed in something other than Notepad may not paginate or line up correctly, and PDFs viewed in something other than Adobe Acrobat Reader may not allow you to use all of the hyperlinked indexing and attachment features that are available. And so this is an important skill to employ when you're a court reporter, to make sure that you're using the right tool for the right job. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. And if you haven't already, please share our channel with someone that you think will enjoy it. Thank you so much and have a great day.